Hey guys, here I am. So I don't know if I've taken that long of a break, but I've taken a few days off to kind of figure out what I want to do with the channel. And I think I'm going to ixnay the Under 20 Tuesdays. I'm going to keep the wedding albums Wednesdays until I'm done with it. Obviously, that probably won't be too much longer. Another month or two. And I wanted to start a Scrap Your Scraps Day. So that'll probably be on Saturdays because it just rhymes. Scrap Your Stash Saturday. I think Inky Quill does one actually. Anyway, I really need to get some of my kits used up for Citrus Twist because they are piling up. So this is a 6x12. 6x12. And I have went ahead and cut the paper. Actually, it's just this paper. These are actually the cards that come with them. So, the kits. So anyway, things are just going to be changing, and it's kind of just play off of whatever I'm feeling like doing. I guess I kind of got too much on a schedule there, and I lost how fun it was for me to do the scrapbooking. So anyway, I'm back. And I think I'm just going to wing it. I'm going to go back to my original way of doing things. Except for Wedding Album Wednesday, because that's just, you know, it's not going to last forever. So, anyway. So this is my youngest. Mr. Gabriel McCree. And this is the church giveaway. My church does a food drive giveaway every third Saturday of the month. And, it's just such a blessing to the community. So, my kids don't often get up early enough to go do things like this, but for whatever reason, Mr. Gabriel was up and ready. So, I said, let's go. But I thought this was cute because there's food, there's friends, and sunshine. We were out in the sun, so it doesn't look like it in the picture, but there's a bunch of our friends were there and stuff from church. I think I want this to be under adventure. And then I want that on there. I just don't know if I like the fact that it's a tag. There, that's good. And this one says Up and Atom. It's one of the printables that you can print with each kit, but depending on which printer I print it on, it doesn't always come out real cute. So, oh, that would be nice off to the side, I think. There we go. All right. That's all I planned out. So, oh. I did look at most of my ephemera because these are all my extra ephemera pieces. Well, you can't see them all, but I guess I don't have a whole lot of sprinkly bits. You know I love more sprinkly bits. What do? Man, it's been... See, this is one of the things I didn't like, is that I can't think. I don't know. Let's see. Good Food would be a cute one, because they actually do give away pretty nice food. What's this? Oh, this was my November kit. Let's see what we got. I don't know, I kind of like it. Somewhat. What's the word? Plain? Oh, you know what? Red would be good because he's wearing a red shirt. these. Uh-oh. I really like the way these are like beveled. I guess that's the word. There we go. Alright. Let's get on to 2. Now this is one of the cards for the Project Life. But my idea was blue jean pants. And then I was going to make a title. I don't even know what's going to be next to this. It don't matter. Okay. How was I going to do this? I don't know if there's going to be anything there or not. Do I need? No, okay, good. I was about to say, dang it, I need doggone tape again. I don't. Surprising. Okay, now I wanted to put easy. Easy weekend was the idea there. And then good story. And then I am seeing a word sticker, so I think I like this grateful right here. Black and gold. 2 neutral colors that go with everything. There we go, that's good. Now, should I add? Yes, I should. These are really, really hard to read. I'm gonna go with this. Kind of like that. Now let's go ahead and use these hearts. I don't know if I put them sideways. Should I put them sideways or not? I don't know. Oh, I should grateful heart. Let's go this way with it. I'll lock it. I'll lock it. Now I want to add a red one just to keep it all together. Yes. Okay. It's okay, I guess, because it's just kind of like what his face is saying, like, yeah, I'm here. And I realize these are identical pictures, but I also didn't care. So, I do need to cut that down, though. Let's see here. Yeah, it's not too bad, I guess. Now, I think I'm going to go on this side with them. Because the top one is on the other side. Do need one more word. Oh, field trip would be cute, huh? Okay. That's funny because I put those on sideways without even thinking about it. Silly goose. Alright. Well, I hope you guys are having a great Saturday, and I hope you guys don't mind that I am starting to keep these a little bit more simpler, because I think I've over-embellished too much. So yeah, I think that's also why it's taking me a lot longer to use some of my stash up, because I'm not using as much. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great rest of your Saturday, and don't forget to get some crafty time in. See you later. Bye.